Here's the UK and Ireland weather forecast for February the 13th through to the 15th, 2013. That's Wednesday to Friday. Back after a short absence, let's look at Tuesday's highs. The high temperatures as typically being set on the west and southern coast, 6 to 7 degrees. The low temperatures dipping into the minuses, -2s and 3s on the mountains of England and Scotland. The next 3 days will see heavy snow moving in, on Wednesday in particular, turning into rain overnight and clearing by the middle of Thursday. After that, maybe looking a little bit better. So let's look at the pressure charts. You can see a low pressure system that's moving towards the far north of Scotland from the North Atlantic, dipping south of Iceland and then moving through the Faroe Islands, which may affect our weather particularly further north. So let's look at Wednesday's forecast then. Rain turning into sleet and snow, particularly snowy in parts of central England into the northeast and the northwest as well. Mainly sleet in Scotland and rain for other areas, including the southwest and western coasts. Temperatures, as you can see there, barely getting above freezing along the eastern coast, 2 to 3 degrees, and it will get milder as the day goes on for western areas, with the southwest being a high of 10. So as the warmer air moves in behind on Wednesday night, you'll see all the snow turning into rain, and most of the snow that will have gathered during the day will hopefully wash away. Meaning on Thursday morning it won't be as bad as what we've seen in the past, but temperatures not going down in some areas, going up for some to a temperature of 6 degrees for some areas, 7 to 9 in the far south and 4s along the east coast. Thursday will be a very mixed day for many, with sunny intervals in between spells of rain. The rainiest places will be the further east and the further south. So the southeast will be particularly wet, and but the northwest and into Scotland as well will probably see the better of the weather, with partly cloudy skies with just the odd spot of drizzle perhaps here and there. Temperatures 8 to 10 degrees in England, 7 degrees generally the high in Scotland. Thursday night should stay dry for almost all areas, with overcast skies for some areas, but clearer skies for parts of the northeast and particularly the southwest of England, where clear skies will be prominent in the far southwestern region, in Cornwall of course, and in Devon as well. Clear skies there. Temperatures falling to 2 degrees as a low, perhaps 4 degrees in the cities, and a little bit warmer as well in some southern cities in England. Looking at Friday then, a better day, partly cloudy skies for most areas, particularly eastern coasts of England and central and southern parts of England as well as eastern areas of Ireland, with perhaps a little bit of drizzle for western coasts of Scotland and the far north of Scotland as well. Overcast skies for northwestern Scotland, with temperatures not too bad for this time of year, 7 to 8 degrees as a general high across the whole of the British Isles, 6 degrees in a few cooler spots, and 9 degrees in the far southwest. Friday night we'll see cloud building back in for most of the country, well, all of the country really, with drizzly spells of rain coming in from the west, particularly as the night draws on, extending into western coasts of Scotland by the end of the night, and perhaps the far southwest of England as well. Temperatures on Friday night colder again, 1 to 2 on the east coast of England, 3 and 4 for the rest of us, and in Ireland milder, 5 to 7 the low temperature there. Visit the website 413.com, where you can find tables of how temperatures are faring this month, and indeed in other months, and the warmest and coldest places in the British Isles during this month.